The Ring Pan Tilt Indoor Cam 2-pack delivers smooth, full-room coverage, letting you sweep the camera view around an entire space from the mobile application without blind spots. High-definition video and color night vision make it easy to distinguish faces and details, whether it is bright daylight or the middle of the night. Two-way audio allows you to speak clearly through the camera, which is especially useful for checking in on family members, pets, or a small office after hours. Because each camera only needs a power outlet and a stable wireless network, installation is straightforward enough for most people to handle in a few minutes. The ability to review recorded clips, receive intelligent motion alerts, and scroll back through activity history adds real value for anyone serious about monitoring their home or business. Tight integration with Alexa devices means you can bring up a live view on a compatible smart display or hear spoken alerts without reaching for your phone.